Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today's my dinner meal. I want to make sweet and sour pork. I got good pork. Each like a dice size. So try to make sweet and sour pork. Serving with veggie, red paprika, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper. My favorite. This is kikurage mushroom, wood ear mushroom, kikurage. So kind of like a two part. One of a little bit deep fry, then saute, mix together, and added sweet and sour sauce. Then make sweet and sour pork. We Japanese people call subuta. Try to make it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Ginger and garlic. Garlic, a little bit. Ginger. Pepper, a little bit. Shirodashi, white soy sauce, a little bit, just a little bit. And shokoshu, Shaoking sake, Chinese sake. Just a little bit. And egg. Shoyu, a little bit. This is a starch. Good. Yes.長ネギ、sauce. This is the brown sugar. And this is the vinegar. soy sauce. And 白だし。みりん。And this one is shocking sake, shokosh. Taste a little bit. Good flavor. Down. Like this. Ginger and garlic and chili and oil a little bit. High flame. Ready? This is your mushroom. White pork. Little pepper. Just a little bit. This is the sweet and sour sauce mix and start mix together. Done. Okay, let's start to eat. Cheers. Good Japanese sake. いただきます。Bon appetit. This is my original sweet and sour pork. I'm just using a special brand pork. いちごもち豚。Very tasty. いただきます。Good umami. Good rich taste. I love sour flavor. Good balance. So sweet and sour pork. It's a little bit popular Chinese food, but I'm just arranging of my original recipe. But it's so good. It's not so difficult. I'm just already show you each step, step by step. So if you want follow my recipe, you can make it in your home. So please try it. Thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Bye.